In this short tutorial, I will show you how to show the AM/PM indicator on your Samsung device. Many people find it helpful to have the time displayed in 12-hour format with AM and PM indicators for easy reference, especially when setting alarms or scheduling events. To get started, open up the Galaxy Store and search for Good Lock. Tap and select the Good Lock app from the search results. After that, download and install the Good Lock app on your Samsung device. And then open up the Good Lock app. What you want to do next is scroll down and find a feature called Quick Start. Tap on the downward-facing arrow button next to Quick Start to download it. Once you've downloaded that, scroll up and tap Quick Start. Toggle on this switch over here to enable Quick Start. And then tap Clock Settings. Now you'll see an option called Show AM/PM. Status bar clock shows AM/PM. To show the AM/PM indicator on your Samsung device, simply toggle on this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.